Hey everyone, Tori here. Thanks for joining me for another Crafty Cruise vlog. I'm going to start my day by heading off to Starbucks to go grab a grande soy chai latte, and then I'm going to go down to the conference room to check out what the other scrapbookers are doing and start some fun Crafty Cruise stuff.
You got it for tonight? What time? 8:30. Let's do it. Alright, cool. I was gonna cancel it, I'll keep it. 8:30.
Saturday. Off to the scrap room. Hi. So I headed downstairs to the conference room, and the conference room on Oasis of the Seas is in one of the lower floors. So I headed down there and met up with some of the other crafty cruisers for our class for today. So in our class today, Jen and Tracy are both teaching us how to make some cards. So I got there a little early so I could play with some of my supplies for a little bit and say hi to all the other cruisers. Not everybody was there yet, but I was able to get working. And the first part of the class was done by Jen Scow, who's incredible. If you don't know her, you should go check out her YouTube channel. So then Jen and Tracy both showed us how to make some different cards. They were pretty simple, but lots of fun to make, and they had all the supplies and everything we needed. Then we did some really fun giveaways too.
So what we're going to do, this is going to be a vertical card, and what we're going to do is adhere the stripy piece at the top. You guys can, if you saw the card, you can probably put it together on your own, most of you, but we're going to put the stripy piece at the top, and then the black is going to go right underneath that. So this is a really thin strip, so if you have like a liquid adhesive or a glue pen or something like that, that's really great to glue down small pieces with. And then everyone has there, but if you have other stamps or other inks that you want to use, feel free. So, if you're done with the first card, pull out all the hearts.
Where they were at, and we didn't miss any of it, so it was great. But it was like the best experience ever.
Do we need another minute to do the hello? You're done? Okay. No, they're still working on it.
Just did a giveaway, and I got called first, and this is what I picked because it's stunning, and mostly just because of this acetate. This is designed by Paige Evans. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Oh, and then you got the stamp too, right?
Yeah, that's Amy Tangerine. It was so much fun spending the morning making cards with other crafters and knowing that I am like in the middle of the ocean crafting. And also to get some really cute giveaways. I love this Here We Go little paper pad and this really cute vellum by Pink Paisley. I always get tongue twisted on that one. And to spend some time with some friends, my new friends on the cruise.
It's time to get crazy.
18 and 7. Come on down. 12, 18, and 7.
What'd you get, Gladys?
I got a stamp. I got some die cuts. I got a stampy die cut.
So just in case you're wondering, I did not overlap the strips. We're butting them up against each other. And you want to kind of go hard and get...
Around 12:30, I took a break from my crafting and joined my mom, who is not a crafter, for some really amazing Mexican food at Sabor on the cruise ship. So good. I'm not even joking, the food at Sabor was probably my favorite of the whole entire cruise. You have to pay a little bit more for it, but it is entirely worth it. Just the guac alone. It's the last day on the cruise, which is crazy. I'm gonna miss it so much. But there's still fun things to see and do, so that's good. I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos too. And if you have any questions, leave them below. I would be happy to answer them for you. And I hope that I got enough footage for all of them so that you feel like you were kind of here and got to see all the fun goodies and all of those things. So I'm gonna go take a nap and then I'm gonna go have dinner. Bye.
We'll ask to order. Yeah, you can ask for it.
That night for dinner, my mom and I joined Tracie and her incredible family for dinner, which was so much fun. We just had a great time talking and laughing and enjoying our food and talking about the cruise. Oh, so good. We even enjoyed the festivities of the last night in the dining room.
You don't have to fill that out, right?
After our amazing and delicious dinner, I headed back down to the craft room later that night for our pajama party and crop, and also to pack up my supplies since it was our last day crafting in the cruise craft room, conference room, I don't know what to call it. And I just had so much fun saying goodbye to all the new friends I had made and getting a bajillion selfies. Thanks everyone for putting up for me who was on the cruise. I just made so many friends and it was so fun to spend time with new crafty people. I don't really enjoy crafts usually. I usually avoid them, but something about just being on a cruise and crafting was so much fun. And I also really enjoyed the classes and visiting new places and getting to see and meet Tracie and Jen, and it was just a blast. I would definitely recommend going on a crafty cruise if you're thinking on it, or if you're not thinking about a crafty cruise and you just want to go on a regular cruise, I would also recommend that just because they're awesome. Anyways, that's it for me today. I think tomorrow or soon I'll have another video sharing Debarkation Day. Is that how you say it? I don't know. See you soon. Bye.